Welcome to cvatrix.tk.
Mr. Trump's new plane fits 43 passengers, has approximately a 16-hour range, and flies at speeds of over 500 miles per hour. It is powered by Rolls-Royce engines. Each sleeper seat is equipped with an audio-visual system featuring a TV that is fed with all the various video sources available on the jet. The multiplex movie system has a DVD direct storage of 1,000 movies and 2,500 CDs on demand throughout the cabin. It also includes an interactive touchscreen control system allowing full control of the system and all rooms wirelessly from anywhere in the plane. A special T button was added to the touchscreen for guide access to Mr. Trump's DVR favorite movies and CDs. Completely wrapped in wood and features another amazing home theater system. The guest bedroom has a magnificent mohair divan that converts into a full-size bed for use on extended trips. Mr. Trump's bedroom has yards and yards of elegant gold silk adorning the cabin walls. A custom headboard as well as comforter were created to complement. Mr. Trump also has a custom theater. Custom designed pillows embroidered with the Trump family crest were designed to coordinate throughout, including the headrest on the aircraft. The master bath gold-plated sink. This has been upgraded to a state-of-the-art flat panel glass display.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe cvatrix.tk.